The road where gravity stops working, India's magnetic hill mystery. Before you watch this video, answer one question. If you parked your car on a hill, turned off the engine, removed your feet from every pedal, and your car still started climbing uphill, would you believe your own eyes or the laws of physics? Because somewhere in India, thousands of people have experienced exactly that. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this road has become one of the country's greatest mysteries. Imagine driving through one of the highest mountain regions in the world. Snow-covered peaks surround you. The air is thin. The roads seem endless. Nothing feels unusual. Until you reach one small stretch of highway. Visitors stop here every single day, not to admire the scenery, but to test something that seems impossible. They switch off their engines, place their cars in neutral, and then they simply wait. What happens next has left tourists, engineers, and even scientists scratching their heads for years. Videos from this road have spread across the internet for decades. At first, most people think they're fake, until they see dozens of different vehicles, cars, motorcycles, even heavy SUVs, apparently moving uphill without any engine power. There are no hidden cables, no tow trucks, no visible tricks, just a quiet mountain road, and something that refuses to behave the way it should. But here's where things become even stranger. This isn't a one-time event. It happens again and again, to almost everyone who tries it. So the obvious question is, what's pulling these vehicles? Naturally, people began creating theories. Some believe there's an enormous magnetic force hidden beneath the mountains. Others think the rocks themselves contain unusual minerals capable of affecting vehicles. Some locals even tell stories of mysterious energies protecting travelers who pass through this region. Whether those stories are true or not, they've made this road famous across the world. Today, tourists travel thousands of miles for one reason: to test the mystery themselves. And almost everyone leaves with more questions than answers. Now imagine, you're finally there. You park exactly where everyone tells you. Your family steps out. Someone starts recording on their phone. You turn off the engine. Complete silence. Nothing happens. 1 second. 2 seconds. Then suddenly, your car begins moving. No sound. No vibration. No one touching it. Just a slow movement that somehow becomes faster. People inside the car begin shouting. Some laugh. Others stare in complete disbelief. Even if you've watched hundreds of videos online, seeing it happen in real life feels completely different. Over the years, experts have visited this mysterious location countless times. Measurements have been taken. Experiments have been performed. Different explanations have been suggested, yet visitors continue leaving with the exact same reaction. I still can't believe what I just saw. Maybe that's because, sometimes, the greatest mysteries aren't the ones hiding from us, they're the ones happening right in front of our eyes. The mysterious road you've been watching throughout this video is called Magnetic Hill, located in the breathtaking region of Ladakh, India. This place has become one of the country's most fascinating tourist attractions. Every year, thousands of curious travelers visit to witness the strange phenomenon for themselves. Some leave convinced they've experienced something extraordinary. Others continue searching for answers. But everyone leaves with a story. Now it's your turn. If you experienced this yourself, what would you believe? A hidden magnetic force? An unexplained natural phenomenon? Or something we've yet to discover? Tell me your theory in the comments before reading anyone else's answer. I read every comment, and I'd love to know what you think. And if mysteries like this fascinate you, subscribe to Daily Musings, because every week we explore places that challenge history, science, and everything we think we know about our world. Until the next mystery, keep questioning the impossible.